Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create and use groups on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the direct message or messenger icon from the top right corner. Now tap the pen and paper icon from the top right corner. You can tap on the search bar and type out the names of people you want to add. Or you can look at the suggested list of people and tap the circles next to their names to add them. Once you add the people, tap the chat option from the top right corner. The group won't be created until you send the first message. Now you can give a name of this group, and other people will be notified of the messages and the group's existence. When you are done, tap on OK from the bottom right corner. The group is created. Now you can make audio or video call, send voice messages, or media files, or emojis. For more options, tap the group name from the top. From here you can change group photo, change group name, change notifications and group settings, change theme, add or remove group member, leave this group, and also delete the group. And these are all the things you need to know about create and use groups on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.